This string figure is called gum or rubber because as you move your hands in and out, it really feels elastic. This string figure is done best with a small loop of string, and we want to start off by placing the loop of string over our little finger and thumb, and then taking the far little finger string and wrapping it around the thumb once, and then the same over the other side. Place the string across the palm, grab the far little finger string and wrap it around the thumb and little finger. And now with our middle fingers, we just want to pick up the lower palm string on both sides, and then we want to drop that far string off of our little fingers and the near string off of our thumb, and there we have the finished gum.